Hi, my name is Marlo Gertz, and I'm the owner of Marlo's Bake Shop, a cookie company based in San Francisco. While I was growing up, my grandmom, and this is my grandmom Anne, made really special and unique cookies for my entire family, but the recipe was a secret. She finally passed on the secret family recipe to me, though, about 10 years ago, and I started making her cookies, which today I call Marlo's, about a year ago as I was finishing pastry school here in San Francisco. Today's Marlo's are an updated version of Grandmom's cookies. I use all natural, locally sourced ingredients and really pride myself on using the highest quality of each that I can find. Our semi-sweet chocolate chips are made by Calbo. I taste tested several different chocolate chips before settling on these, and I'm really thrilled at the flavor they impart. The walnuts come fresh from up north in Lake County, California. You can really taste the difference between these and something that's been sitting in a package on a grocery shelf for months. The cocoa is an integral ingredient in the Midnight Marlo's. The high fat content adds a super luxe richness to the double chocolate espresso cookies, making them like a sumptuous brownie in a cookie form. The dark chocolate covered raisins are produced by a candy maker in Southern California. They use organic California raisins and organic dark chocolate to create these gems. I've created this Kickstarter campaign to garner the resources needed to bring Marlo's to a larger marketplace and to share them with you. The funds raised here will help me do a few things. First, I need help to complete the first print run. We are planning to sell half-pound packages and single cookie packs, which I'm confident will be perfect for coffee and tea shops all over the country. Second, I bake in a commercial kitchen in San Francisco, but I'm limited by how many hours I can bake there, and I don't have the space to package in this facility. I'm hoping to rent more space and time in a commercial kitchen for 2 whole days a week. Third, I'd like to purchase a commercial bread slicer. These quickly and consistently slice the loaves of Marlo's into evenly sized cookies. It would allow us to capture the consistency in the product that we need for greater distribution. I really believe Marlo's are going to start a cookie revolution. I've watched countless people become addicts over the last year, making our slogan a worthy addiction and appropriate one. And I know once you taste them, you'll agree. So don't forget to share this with your friends and your friends of friends. All your help is greatly appreciated. Thank you.